Hey guys, it's Angie with Lucky Little Learners, and I'm here today to show you how you can take a typical brag tag and change it into a digital sticker. It is very easy to do, and I'm going to show you this in a very quick manner. So I know that this year a lot of you are doing distance learning in some capacity, whether it's full-time or part-time, and it really doesn't matter with these digital stickers whether you're using Google Classroom or Seesaw. This is going to work on any platform. So let's get started. We're going to look at this activity, which is a literacy center called Common Proper Noun Sandwiches. Let's pretend our students have received this assignment and they're going to go ahead and complete it. And so just for the sake of time, I'm going to do it real quick. The kids are matching up the common noun with the proper noun. And then what they do is they're going to go ahead and put it into the recording sheet. Now, for the sake of time, let's pretend this recording sheet is completely filled up and it is now submitted to you for correction. Once you look this over and decide it is the way you want it, you are going to assign a digital sticker. It is super simple to do. What you're going to do is you're going to open up a brag tag file that you own. If you don't have any brag tags, we have them all in our TPT store for Lucky Little Learners. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through your file of brag tags and you're going to find one that you feel like is a great fit. Now, I will say right off the bat, the really nice thing about digital stickers or digital brag tags is that you no longer have to worry about color printing. So let's just take this one, for example. Let's decide we want to use this one as the digital sticker for the assignment. What you're going to do on a Mac, if you have a Mac, is you're going to take a screenshot by going Command-Shift-4. That brings up a selection tool that is going to allow you to find the corner of one of the brag tags, hold your mouse down, and you're going to drag a box around the selection area. Once you let go, it instantly saves it right to your desktop. And then to assign the sticker, all you need to do is you go Insert, Image from Computer, you go to your Recents up here on the left-hand side, and you're going to select the brag tag that you want. One little tip that I have is teachers can prepare these ahead of time by taking the screenshots of their favorite brag tags that they have on their computer so they're ready to go for their students. So then once you've picked out the sticker or the brag tag you want, click on Choose. It automatically inserts it right into the assignment. You're going to shrink it down if you'd like, and I like to turn them just because it makes it look like a sticker. And that's it, you guys. That is how simple it is. Super simple, a great way to still reward students and give them an incentive. And really, if you want, I have seen some teachers decide to make collection pages where they have whether it's Seesaw or Google Classroom or anything, the kids have a sheet where they start to collect all the brag tags that they have earned over the year. And that is the equivalent to a brag tag necklace or a brag tag ring from a digital perspective. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you, and I cannot wait to see how you use brag tags this year as digital stickers.